What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to demo you our latest integration of Project Blue into HubSpot. For those of you guys that don't know, Project Blue allows you to send Blue iMessages directly from your CRM, whether it's to your past customers, clients, new customers signing up, whatever that may be. You can conversate with them just like having just like having a iPhone, except this is all done remotely through your CRM. And what's really cool about it is we've allowed you to create automations actually natively in HubSpot. So for those of you guys that are familiar with it, you can create direct automations. So, you can have certain triggers or workflows set up that will trigger iMessages. So for example, what we use even internally, whenever we get a new book call, we can send a message asking you to, fill out a form, whatever that may be. So we've built a fully fleshed out system in HubSpot, supports two-way SMS. I'm going to show you guys a quick product demo, and we can get into the cool features. So as you guys see here, I already have it installed. Currently, it is technically a private app. So again, if you guys want to get started, I'll leave a link in the description below to book a demo. We are currently on a wait list, but once you're approved with your application and, we can move from there, we'll reach out to you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and actually jump into it. So super easy here. We got it installed, and we can actually have it mapped to users' accounts. So for example, different users will have different device phone numbers. Say you have some agents or reps, sales reps that you want to, individually assign phone numbers. And we do all of this as well in our backend. So, let's get into it. So right now, let's go into the actual CRM in contacts. Okay, sweet. So, we built it very, very simple, kind of a modular setting, so you can adjust it however you want. But upon the app installing, you will see this essentially a CRM card. And from here, if we send an iMessage, we can actually, the convo history for the message will actually populate as well. Let's go ahead and send a message. I'll just call it, this is a test. Oh, sorry. Message from HubSpot. We'll go ahead and send that here. And you'll see it'll populate in the conversation there. And we also have it logged in the activity log. So again, this supports both outbound and inbound SMS, iMessage. And we also support SMS as well as a fallback in the event, a user doesn't have an an Apple device, whether it's a iPhone or a Mac, whatever it may be. If they don't support that, if they don't have that, we can directly send an SMS kind of as a fallback. But I'll go ahead and we have a queue system in the back just to ensure no abuse of our systems. But once the message gets sent, I'll show you that in my actual iMessage editor to show you it got logged here. I've gone ahead and just blurred the to and from messages, as these are kind of our test demo lines we use. But you can see the message here. So we have, this is a test message from HubSpot. We have kind of the timestamp here and indicating that it's an outbound, as well as our logo just to confirm that. And if we actually look at our device, on my phone here, I'll try and, I know it's going to be mirrored, but you can see that I actually got the blue iMessage here, which is really cool. And if we go, and I'll show you guys as well in my editor here, but my iMessage kind of app on my Mac here, just so I can show you. But before that, I'm actually going to also send an inbound SMS so you guys can see that. So I'll just say, I'm responding here in our message thread saying, this is a test inbound back. From that should get appropriately logged. I've just gone ahead and refreshed my page here so you can see the inbound request coming in. so I can blur it as well. But you can see I sent 2 inbounds. This is a test inbound back, and another, I just sent 2 messages, and you can see that that actually corresponds with what you see here on the iMessage device. So that obviously supports the two-way SMS there. And again, in the event you don't want to view it in this kind of this activity filter, because I know this can get kind of convoluted, if you will, with other activities related to your operations within your CRM. So we also have everything logged in here as well. So yeah, that's kind of the two-way SMS there. And then again, we can get, I'll show you guys the automation part now. Alrighty, so now that we are in the automation workflows, I've just gone ahead and created a very simple test here. So I just have a trigger for manual enrollment, so we can test this, but you can see we actually have our own workflow action. So very similar to just an outbound message, but here we have the send iMessage, and where we're sending it to the contact's phone. And obviously you can add whatever properties you want. And then this is the really cool thing about having this integration with HubSpot is like it plugs very seamlessly into the workflow. So whatever variables you want to add, whatever that may be within your campaigns, very super easy to set up. But yeah, let's go ahead and test this. So I should be able to just enroll myself in this. So let's go ahead and just choose an individual. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and just choose an individual contact. So I'm going to select mine here and go ahead and click enroll. And obviously through HubSpot, you can see like the actual enrollment history. Should see that. We can even like view logs as well. So yeah, I just sent a message and I should get that exact message out as well. I believe it's going to say this is a test outbound message from HubSpot, which I'll show you guys on my device, which I actually got here already. So again, I'll show you guys on the message app, but you can see the automations work as well. So again, the whole idea of this is to make it as seamless as possible, so you can plug it into your existing workflows, new workflows you have, or you can create duplicates as well and just add our iMessage action, workflow action in here, natively. But yeah, it's pretty basic, guys. And obviously, like this is going to also get logged to the contact. So if we go back, we can see that as well. Yeah, so I've pulled back the same contact record here that I'll be, demoing here in this test. So you can see, yeah, so that same kind of outbound, it's logged as an outbound, obviously, because it came through the automation. But the same message that you guys saw is here, just to have this kind of additional context. But yeah, guys, so again, same thing there. In the event someone responds, it'll just get logged back in as an inbound request. So yeah, guys, all of that is built out. So you can go as crazy as you want with the automations. You can create very complicated ones, whatever it may be. And we also have it set up as well. So obviously it depends on your business. Maybe you want to have a certain amount of lines set up just for kind of marketing lines. And then also like, device specific lines, if that makes sense, for just the actual, what's it called, for the reps or the agents that are using it. So we can do all that assigning on our system during the onboarding process. So yeah, guys, that pretty much marks up this video. Again, if you guys are interested, just check us out at, I'll leave the link below in the description at Try Project Blue. But yeah, you can even try it out for yourself. Again, we use this internally, obviously at our company. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just check out our website, enter in your phone number, which you'll be prompted to a application on the next page where you can fill out more of your information, where we'll reach out to you. So yeah, guys, again, if you're interested, just check it out.